Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best sewing machines for beginners of 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 4, 4452 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. A classic model, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine has been popular for sewing heavy fabrics like denim and leather for quite a while. With a powerful motor, this machine can stitch 1,100 stitches per minute, meaning you can speed your way through sewing projects. Its strong motor can handle thick seams with ease. This machine offers 32 different stitches and multiple buttonhole options, providing variety but nothing too overwhelming. Reviewers recommend only using plastic bobbins by Singer for this machine. Number 3. Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners. When small children are learning how to sew, sewing safety is of the highest priority. This sewing machine from Flea has a finger guard to prevent any injuries. It's also lightweight and easily portable. Plus, it's under $50. It features slow speed options and tons of included accessories for easy learning. It doesn't have a back stitch though, so we recommend stitching over the ends twice to ensure they don't unravel. Number 2. Start 1304 Sewing Machine for Beginners. This simple machine impressed our experts with its easy-to-follow controls featuring an accessible back stitch. At just over 9 pounds, this machine is easily portable and perfect for small spaces. We love that it includes multiple bobbins, presser feet, and needles too. Plus, it has over 6,500 reviews on Amazon, with reviewers saying it's perfect for beginners and an excellent investment. Number 1. Mini Sewing Machine. If you're looking for the simplest, most streamlined sewing machine on the market, look no further than this fully functioning sewing machine that costs just $30. Smaller than a copy of Good Housekeeping magazine, this mechanical sewing machine weighs under 2 pounds for easy carrying. Mechanical machines like this one are a great choice for beginners because they can be easier to learn on than computerized options. Ideal for small, simple sewing projects with one stitch, this machine has added ease of use features like a side thread cutter, removable extension table, and built-in lamp. Just note that this machine has no back stitch. To enforce your stitches, we recommend sewing over the ends again.